Hey guys, today we are doing slime and I'm gonna explain how you do slime. And I'm gonna go get the things. I have the things here. Borax. I have here borax. A spoon, glue, and the bowl with water. The first thing you have to do is put water in the bowl. I have water in the bowl. Put glue in the bowl. Wait. Now you see you have glue in the water. Now you put you do this. Okay? And now you put borax. And now you do the same thing. And you have a slime. Look. And remember, subscribe. Bye.